Today we're doing under the fences on dairy lanes. What happens is over time there's a berm built up under the fences and it holds the water from getting off the lane. So our job is to come along and pull that material in and windrow it, and then so you can see here this is just the first pass. We normally do 2 or 3 passes and then we swap to a larger, longer blade and pull all the material into the middle. The way we do it, we get everything around the post as well. It's all gone, it's there, tidied up. But this is just the first pass, so knock the main bit off, like here, and then we'll just keep working under that fence. So we got rid of that edge off the side of the dairy lane and we put it over here. So now the farmer will come along and he'll scoop that up with his front end loader, put it on a trailer and take it away.